There, yes, just have these very, very special Skeletric cars here. Lady Penelope Rolls Royce from Thunderbirds with her in there. The steering wheel was in the middle. Lovely interior. And the Blues Brothers. Lovely Dodge Monaco Bluesmobile, very cool Skeletric, very detailed. Look how rough the paintwork is even. That is superb, absolutely superb. And another Dodge Monaco. Let's have a look at the front. That is that from the Blues Brothers? I'm not sure, but anyway, great car. And these are at the train shop, GW and JH Jefferson Scarborough. Been here for 30 years. Great model shop. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please do like and subscribe. Wow, look at that tiny. Look at that. That is a tiny N-gauge scale Ford Capri from the look of it, and that is tiny. And that's an MX-5 as well, Oxford models. And here we go, we've got a Corgi lifeboat and some other Corgi cars here. The Beatles Yellow Submarine. Paddington. Oh great, the Magical Mystery Tour bus, the Beatles. Paddington, oh the Beatles, Let It Be. Eleanor Rigby. And a couple others from the Beatles.